What is the area of the figure below? When we have a composite figure, it helps to shade it so that we can see the different parts of it. Then we can look at the pieces. So we have a half circle here and we have a triangle here. So anytime we're dealing with circles, we want to identify radius and diameter. So the distance across this circle right here is 9. That's going to be our diameter. So then if we're looking for the radius will be halfway across. So we need half of 9, which would be 4.5. The triangle, if it is 9 all the way across here, that makes that measurement 9 and that measurement 9. So our half circle, formula for a circle, area equals pi r squared. Because it is a half of a circle, at some point we need to take a half. Substituting for pi, we're going to use 3.14. Radius squared means radius times radius. Over here we identified radius as 4.5 times 4.5 and times 1/2, or you could use 0.5. I'll write that here, 0.5 or 1/2. So solving, let's see, 4.5 times 4.5. Let's do that first. 5 times 5 is 25. 5 times 4 is 20. So 22. Leave a placeholder. 4 times 5 is 20. 4 times 4 is 16, 17, 18. Add them together. 5, 2, 0, 2. So 4.5 squared is 20.25. Right there. 20.25. Then we can do times 3.14. It's 8, 9, 10. 4 times 0 is 0. Take the 1. 4 times 2 is 8. Leave a placeholder. 1 times 2025, 5202. Going to our third number, we need to put 2 placeholders and start in the third spot. So 3 times 5 is 15. 3 times 2 is 6, and 1 is 7. 3 times 0 is 0. 3 times 2 is 6. Add those up. 0, 5, 5, 6, 7, 8. 7 and 7 is 14, and 1 makes 15. That would be 3 and 6. 1, 2, 3, 4 digits behind the decimal. 1, 2, 3, 4 digits behind the decimal. So we're at 63.585, and now we need half of that, so we can divide it by 2 or times it by 0.5. I'm going to times by 0.5. You'll get the same answer either way. 5 times 5, 25. 5 goes 5 times 8 is 40. 2. 5 times 5 is 25, so 29. 5 times 3 is 15, 16, 17. 5 times 6 is 31. 1, 2, 3, 4 digits behind the decimal. 1, 2, 3, 4 digits behind the decimal. So our solution for the half circle is 31.7925. Now for the triangle, considerably easier. Formula for a triangle, A equals 1/2 base times height. Substituting in, our triangle is an equilateral triangle with sides 9 and 9. So 9 times 9 is 81. So we need to take half of 81. It's going to be a decimal. 4 times 2 is 8. Bring down the 1. That's a 0. Bring that down, and that's a 5. So the area of that triangle is 40.5. That is not our final answer. We have one shape when we started, so we have to have one answer. So we're going to take the 1.7925, add that to our 40.5000. So they line up. 5, 2, 9, 12, 2, and 7. So we should have a total of 72.2925, and our unit is centimeters, and area is always units squared.